Welcome guys with another mind blowing. A lot of people they keep asking, is it Restream helping? Yes, Restream is helping. For you are looking WH watching hour or you are looking for subscriber, I'm going to tell you how Restream is helping and how you are going to get all those things. The time I was starting to do Restream on my YouTube channel, I was having almost 700 to 800 viewers, what's calling watching hour, but within 4 to 5 days, guys, I was here. I get how much? I get 25,000 watching hour. It's not something that I just said it. It's not there. If something is there, 25,000 watching hour within few days guys, 25,000 watching hour. I can show you if my phone, okay, 25,000 watching hour I get within 4 to 5 videos. How much subscriber I get? I get 8,000 subscriber within that time of few days. I was even shocked. So my first video I got 96,000. The second one I get again 294,000. 294,000. The second video. Again, I go to the third video. When I go to the third video again, how much I get to the third video? Guys, I'm here to show you everything. The third video I get again 394,000. The third video. I have to do again the fourth video. I get 398,000 viewers. So on that time I've already get my watching hour. I've already get my watching hour. When I get only that 3 videos, my watching hour is already blowing on the air like this. How much is 25,000 watching hour within 3 video to 4 video? I myself, I was shocked, like, is this true? How this thing happened? Subscriber, every day I was been getting 1,000 subscribers. So you can understand the importance of Restream. Guys, if you are looking to get your watching hours or you are looking to gain more subscribers, Restream is the only place, that you can get your watching hour like this. You can get your subscriber 1,000 like this. Guys, you can do like this, sitting, talking with your friend. When you get a time like 1 hour, half an hour, yes. But if your target is to get your watching hour, the best way you can do is only Restream. Please and please, new YouTubers, if you are looking watching hour, this is the tip. I'm giving you this, the tip is going to help you. I'm so happy to see everyone they monetize their channel, because that's what I was dreaming all the time. How can I get monetization? How can I get, where can I start? So the time I get, and it just helping me, the tip I did. So I want to share to everyone to know like the importance of Restream and how you can get all those things. So please and please, if you're a small YouTuber and you think like, I want to get to the top where other people they are, start going Restream now. Restream is the only way it's going to help you, and you can go and check my other video how you can go Restream. I show the app, the website, and you can follow from there. It's going to take you to Restream.io and you can just go your Restream. I did through to the phone, and if you want a laptop also, you can do to your laptop, you can do to your iPad, you can do to any device that you want. So please and please guys, we have to work hard to start growing to our channel. If you sit and you are keep waiting like, let me post in my 3-minute video to start getting my watching hour, you are not going to get today and tomorrow. And YouTube, they count 365 days. After 365 days, YouTube, they are going to start dropping your channel because you didn't reach the target. So before YouTube, they didn't start to drop your watching hour or to start spam your channel, make sure you get your 4,000 watching hour through Restream.io. If you don't have time to come to sit and talk with the people, Restream is the only way now you can get your watching hour like this without not showing your face, without not sitting, without not wasting your time. So thank you very much, guys. I hope you understand and you're going to do all these things I'm telling you. See you next video, guys. Bye bye.